The Toyota Hilux Champ is a brand new truck starting at just $13,000, and it comes packed with 7 hidden features that are leaving American truck owners completely speechless. If you've been spending $60, $70, even $80,000 on a pickup and still feel like you're not getting a proper work tool, these features are going to change the way you think about what a truck actually needs to do. The Champ is outperforming American mid-sized trucks on payload, cargo access, repairability, and long-term serviceability at a fraction of the cost. Number 7. Segmented poly-modular front bumper architecture. Here's something worth thinking about before your next purchase. A minor parking lot clip on a modern American pickup is going to cost you somewhere between $1,500 and $3,500, not because the damage is serious, but because the entire front fascia has to come off. Sensor recalibration gets added on top, and suddenly a slow-speed nudge turns into a multi-$1,000 event. Nobody buys a work truck expecting to keep it showroom perfect. Tight delivery yards, narrow job site entrances, loading docks with no margin for error. That's the environment these vehicles are living in. A bumper that treats every small impact like a catastrophic failure isn't designed for real work. The Hilux Champ's front bumper breaks into 3 separate sections. A central piece flanked by 2 independent corner modules, each made from unpainted black polymer that absorbs scuffs without showing them the way painted plastic does. Damage a corner, that corner gets replaced. A repair like that is going to cost under $200 and take an afternoon in your own driveway. Because the corner modules detach cleanly, fitting a winch mount or brush guard doesn't involve cutting into factory material. The modular bumper is impressive on its own, but it's only the surface of a much deeper design philosophy Toyota has built into this truck, one that most buyers are going to completely overlook. Number 6. Monozukuri. Every practical detail on the Hilux Champ traces back to a Japanese manufacturing concept called Monozukuri, a philosophy built around craftsmanship, precision, and a genuine understanding of what the person doing the actual work is gonna need. The clearest expression of this shows up in the pre-engineered bolt hole grid built directly into the rear deck and chassis structure. These aren't random mounting points added late in the design process. They're positioned above the frame's strongest cross members, so when heavy equipment is bolted on, the load travels straight into the ladder frame, not the sheet metal skin. Over 100 accessory manufacturers in the Thai market have already developed full product lines aligned to these exact positions. A single Champ chassis can serve as a refrigerated delivery unit, convert into a flatbed for a different contract, then take a camper shell for resale, all without permanent modifications. That kind of adaptability turns the vehicle into a platform that earns its purchase price several times over. But a modular mounting system only matters if the bed underneath it is built for serious work. And what Toyota did with the Champ's cargo platform is something American trucks stopped offering decades ago. Number 5. 270-degree 3-way drop-side flatbed. The Hilux Champ's flatbed is built around 3 independently hinged panels, one at the rear, one on each side. With all 3 dropped, you've got 270 degrees of open access around the entire cargo area. Side loading with a forklift becomes a real option, the kind of capability normally reserved for full-size commercial flatbeds costing 2 or 3 times as much. Anyone who has spent a working career hauling materials understands the cost of a fixed wall bed. You're climbing over sidewalls, feeding awkward loads from the rear at an angle, or making a second trip because the geometry won't cooperate. The Champ is eliminating that entirely. With all 3 sides down, the bed becomes a flat, open platform, functioning like a mobile work table the moment it arrives on site. Because the flatbed sits entirely above the rear tires, the cargo area is one clean, unbroken rectangle. Weight distributes evenly across a 2,204 pounds payload with nothing to work around. The flatbed is redefining what a small truck can carry, but hauling a heavy load means nothing if you can't get the truck in and out of the spaces where that load needs to go. And that's where the next feature genuinely changes the conversation. Number 4. Agile geometry and steering rack optimization. Modern full-size pickups have grown to the point where a U-turn on a standard road has become a negotiation. 3-point turns in spots that shouldn't need them. Parking that technically works but takes several attempts. It's a daily friction that compounds. Toyota's engineers modified the steering rack specifically for the Champ's shorter front end and forward cab layout. The result is a turning radius of just 4.7 meters on the super short wheelbase version. That's 15.4 feet. Most American mid-size trucks require closer to 20 feet to execute the same maneuver. The Champ is completing clean U-turns in gaps where domestic trucks are still working out their geometry. By shortening the hood and steepening the A-pillar, Toyota has opened up the driver's forward sightline significantly. Maneuvering close to obstacles becomes far less stressful when you can clearly see where the front of the truck ends. Off-road, that short wheelbase is also improving the breakover angle, keeping the Champ from high-centering on terrain that would stop a longer vehicle cold. But inside, Toyota made decisions in the dashboard that are just as unconventional and just as deliberate. Number 3. Open architecture. Negative space dashboard. There's no glove box door on the passenger side of the Hilux Champ's dashboard, just a deep open cavity running straight into the dash structure. It reads like a cost cut. In daily use, it's one of the most practical features in the cab. Every tradesperson who has worked out of a truck knows the problem. The industrial clipboard won't fit in the glove box. The 12-volt drill has nowhere to go except the floor. Thick job binders end up on the passenger seat, sliding around every corner. The cab of a modern truck is designed for commuters, not for people running a business out of it. That open cavity is directly solving this, accommodating the large, awkward items a working driver is actually reaching for throughout the day, right where they're needed. The Champ ships without a factory head unit, but the opening is a standard double-din aperture. Any aftermarket unit drops straight in with no proprietary workarounds. The interior is PVC throughout with no carpet, meaning cleanup after a muddy shift takes 2 minutes. That stripped-back approach works perfectly in the cabin, but the electrical system sitting behind it takes the same philosophy even further. And for anyone who has ever fought with a modern truck's wiring, what Toyota did here is going to feel like a relief. Number 2. Pre-provisioned accessory electrical nodes. Toyota pre-provisioned the Champ with dedicated 12-volt connectors and clearly labeled fuse blocks designed specifically for auxiliary equipment. These circuits run separately from the vehicle's primary ignition and safety systems, meaning a winch, lighting array, camping fridge, or mobile workstation can be added cleanly without touching anything critical. Expansion kits using genuine Toyota terminal blocks support circuits up to 30 amps, and the installation process is one most mechanically capable owners are handling at home. If something fails at a remote location, a standard multimeter and spare fuses are enough to diagnose and fix a basic electrical fault. No scan tool required, no service appointment. That level of transparency is increasingly rare in modern trucks. Number 1. Platform commonality and service accessibility. There's a detail about the Hilux Champ that fundamentally changes the value calculation. Despite its entry-level positioning, it shares its engines with the standard Hilux and the Fortuner, the same 2.4-liter turbodiesel and 2.7-liter petrol units running across one of Toyota's most globally proven platforms. Those engines have been stress-tested in some of the harshest operating environments on the planet for over 2 decades. The parts supply chain behind them is deep, well-priced, and reliable in ways that newer proprietary powertrains simply aren't. On the diesel variant, the oil filter sits high on the block with no under-trays blocking access. A full service is happening in a home driveway in under 30 minutes. Anyone who has waited weeks for a back-ordered module on a newer domestic truck understands exactly what long-term platform support is worth. Suspension lift kits, heavy-duty clutches, upgraded cooling systems developed for the Hilux Revo fit the Champ with minimal modification. That starting price of around $13,000 to $14,000 isn't buying a stripped-down consolation prize. It's buying an entry point into a platform built, tested, and refined across millions of units in conditions that most American trucks will never see. 7 features deep, and the Hilux Champ is making a case that's genuinely difficult to dismiss. A modular bumper that costs under $200 to fix. A bolt grid system that lets a single chassis serve multiple working lives. A flatbed with 270 degrees of access and a completely flat floor. A turning radius that shames vehicles twice its price. A dashboard built around real tools, not touchscreen menus. An electrical system that a working owner can actually understand and expand. And underneath all of it, a proven engine platform backed by 2 decades of global refinement, all starting at around $13,000. The American truck market has been telling buyers for years that capability costs more. The Hilux Champ is a direct challenge to that idea, and for anyone who has been paying premium prices for features they never use, it's a challenge worth paying attention to. These hidden features will cement the Hilux Champ's position as the ultimate affordable workhorse, but it's not like there will be no excellent alternatives. For those looking for something less oriented to work and more adventure-focused, take a look at our next video about Stellantis CEO releasing an $18,000 pickup. Besides close resemblance to Jeep's most iconic models, it will also offer serious off-road capability.